Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa as chairperson of the Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs. So move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, Senator De La Rosa is so elected.